Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency PancakeSwap. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description at registration, you save another 20% so that you actually pay 0.08% on trading fees, which is pretty low. What you're gonna do here is just register on Binance, after deposit some money, and then just type in, when the money has arrived, how much you want to invest in it. How you do this step by step, I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page. Also the 20% trading fee discount is automatically activated. After you just create an account, and when the account is activated, just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some money, so just do it by clicking here on verify, and also do address verification by clicking here on this button, and after the verification is done you are able to deposit some money. This you're gonna do by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and after you just type in how much money you want to transfer. Also you see a limit, which is in my case 200,000 euros, and if all this is fine you just click here on continue. After you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just go into your bank account and use this information for the bank transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you just click here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. There you can check your available cash balance, which is in my case 500 euros, but you can also go into wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you can see all your money and all your cash and cryptocurrencies. So if the money has arrived and is available, you can now start buying PancakeSwap by clicking here on asset and then search for PancakeSwap. Now that I selected it, you can just type in this field how much you want to invest in it. I do for example 500 euros, then you see how much PancakeSwap coins I would get, and if this is fine you just click here on buy cake. If you want to sell your cake coins, you click here on sell crypto. There you can change it back into fiat money. And that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.